What is the difference between reacting and responding? Between pressure and presence? Confidence. In every movement, at every level. On the ground and in the air. With AI-powered systems you can trust. Ready when needed. Intuitive when used. Reduced to the max on the surface. Equipped to the fullest underneath. Drones that blend into the sky silently. Complex mission plans that fit on a single screen. And interfaces so natural, they feel like instinct. Our portfolio is built for every mission across multiple domains. From wide open landscapes to dense urban environments. From long endurance to rapid deployment. All connected and orchestrated. All created for those who act when it matters most. And who need to make the right decisions in the shortest possible time. Because right decisions don't just happen, they're built. Quantum systems, aerial intelligence when it matters.